Good day, Tinkercad friends. I have got a fun toy for you to play with. It is called the Scribble Beta. When you slide down the list, you will find the Scribble Beta on the right. When you drag it out, it gives you a new window to tinker with. It has a brush, it has an eraser, it has a shape tool, and it has a shape eraser. I'm going to start with the simple brush tool, and then I'm a big Lions fan, so I am going to make the word One Pride, which is the Lions hashtag that's pretty popular, by just drawing it on the screen. I'm going to connect it like it's cursive. There's my N, there's my E. I'm going to do my pride. It's really fun and intuitive. You can tell I am not an artist, but it still turns out pretty doggone slick. There's the top of my eye. You'll notice my E is missing, so I'm going to just extend it a little. I'm going to make the other half of the E a little better. And then I'm going to go to the eraser tool, and I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to cut out that hole. I'm going to cut out that hole. I'm going to cut out the D. And you can double cut to make it look different. You've got undo if you don't like what you did. It's really slick how quick you can make something that you think is cool. When you're done, you simply click done, and you have got One Pride, or whatever you have chosen to build, instantly available. I'm going to turn this into a keychain. I'm going to switch to a more lion-like color of blue, and then my keychains, I always bring out a box. I click the corners, and I like to make mine 70. I'll scroll out so I can see the other side, by 25 millimeters, and then I make them 2 millimeters thick. I'm going to use the awesome height tool so I can grab my One Pride. I'm going to raise it up 2 millimeters. Notice it shows me there 2 millimeters. I'm going to show all again. And now when I go to the combo top, or just the top view, I can move my One Pride where I want. I can use the black handles to stretch it so that it fits. I'm going to switch back to that combo top front view. Scroll in a little bit. I'm going to drag that a little further to the right, and this to the right, and now I'm going to add my hole. Need to make this a lion's color as well. I cannot look at red. That's so much better. And then I'm going to grab the cylinder hole. Another one of my favorite tricks is holding shift and dragging a corner. I like to make my holes 5 millimeters, and then I simply use the arrow keys to nudge him into place. Switch to the fit view to selection and top view to make sure that there's enough room around each side. I'm going to go back to that combo view and grab both those parts and group them to cut out the keychain hole. I'm going to click on the keychain and I'm going to fit that view to selection. Notice now it's all one color, which is how most people are going to print it, but I like to turn on multicolor so I can see it in all its Detroit Lions awesomeness. So there you have it. That is the epic new Scribble Beta. I think it is going to be amazing. I think if you put it in the hands of somebody that really has artistic skills, you are going to see some incredible creations. And I hope you've enjoyed this. If you make something cool, please let us know in the comments. And if you get a chance, please like, comment, and subscribe.